Swedish researchers at Uppsala University and the Karolinska Institute have found that genes that control the biological clocks in cells throughout the body are altered after losing a single night of sleep. In a study that is to be published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, previous research has shown that our metabolism is negatively affected by sleep loss, and sleep loss has been linked to an increased risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. Since ablation of clock genes in animals can cause these disease states, our current results indicate that changes of our clock genes may be linked to such negative effects caused by sleep loss, says Jonathan Cedernaes, lead author on the study and a researcher at Uppsala University. For the study, the researchers studied 15 healthy normal weight men who on 2 separate occasions came to the lab for almost 2 night-long stays. During the second night, the participants slept as usual, over 8 hours, in one of the 2 sessions, while they were kept awake in the other of these sessions, but in random order. To minimize the influence of various environmental factors, light conditions, food intake, and activity levels in the lab were strictly controlled, and the participants were bed restricted when they were kept awake. Following the second night, on both occasions that the men were studied, small tissue samples were taken from the superficial fat on the stomach and from the muscle on the thigh, 2 kinds of tissues that are important for regulating metabolism and controlling blood sugar levels. Blood samples were also taken before and after the participants had consumed a sugar solution to test their insulin sensitivity, a practice commonly done to exclude the presence of diabetes or a metabolic state called impaired insulin sensitivity, which can precede type 2 diabetes.